guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use either landscape or portrait mode. Then after that, you walk in and sit down just like I am sitting down now. You can just adjust your clothes. You carry your phone, then you record yourself one side. Look at what I'm just doing. After recording yourself like this now, all right, you want to stay there for some few seconds, all right, or some minutes, all right. Then after that, you can now drop your phone. You can pick either your biscuit or whatsoever thing you want to be doing in this other side. Then still adjust your clothes again. Then you are doing the same thing. You can still do this one for a few seconds or few minutes as well, all right. Then after doing it now, I think that is all. The next thing is that you are going to be walking out, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, we are welcome to another tutorial. As we create this video together, you want to be clicking on CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video now. Locate volume guys, click on volume now, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. At this point, click on it and expound it a bit. Yes, you can see what I have just done. After that, we want to look for perfect place where we want the video to start from. You want to take time and look for your preferably place. Then from here now, you click it and make a split. You delete the first part. We don't need it again. So you adjust the video, keep adjusting. Before you bend down, look for a better place, all right? Click it and make a split. Then you keep moving again. So you want to start eating your biscuit. You look for a better place. Then you click on it and make another split. Delete this center part. We don't need it again. So you click on this one and go and look for overlay. Go and look for overlay, guys. Locate overlay. Click on overlay now. Click it and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you come back and make sure that they align. Make sure that they align. After that now, you click it and go and locate mask, guys. Go and look for mask, all right? Locate mask. This is mask here. But at this point, guys, if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, all right? You are welcome to the tutorial. What we are going to be doing here now is to click on mask. Then you click on horizontal. Then you want to turn this line, all right? Turn the line. Then you position it, all right? Position it to reveal your two heads. Okay, look at it. Just reveal your two heads. You can just play with it. Because of that, your hand, make sure you pull your hand out, but reveal your two heads. After that, you can play with this feather icon here, all right? After adjusting the feather icon, you want to come and be marking on this good now to go back, all right? After that, mark on this good. Then you want to go back, all right? Now, let's play the video. This is how the video is going to play. This is the result of the video, all right? Allow the video to play in case if there is anywhere you need to do any amendment, all right? But look at this second layer. You can see it's longer than this one. So at this point, you click it and make a split. Delete that last part. Click on this one and trim it to be equal with the up one. So at this point, this is the video. But to me, it seems as if the background of this video is dark, all right? So what we are going to be doing now is that we are going to come back to add some light to the video. So you click here now, anywhere, then you locate adjust, all right? Locate adjust, click on adjust now. Locate brightness here, click it. You can add either 5 or 7, but I decided to make my own 5. That 7 I feel is too much. You make your own 5, then contrast, the same thing, saturation, add 5 in each and every one of them. But when you get to this sharpen, as you click on sharpen now, you want to make it 20. And clarity, let's make clarity 20 as well. All right. At the end of adding these things, now you mark on that good and go back. To me, this video is ready. All right. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effects, your light effects, and every other effect. After that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. All you need to do is just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add the necessary effects. Then after that, you click on export now, then you export this video to your gallery. As you can wait now, because the video is exporting now. This video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right, like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, go and locate your notification bell. Just click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.